So now come to time start a lecture. Wait, I first do a full screen, then I might start the lecture. Yes, on your screen, my screen is share, I think. माझी स्क्रीन तुम्हाला दिसते असं आहे. येस, व्हेरी गुड. सोनूने रिप्लाय दिला म्हणजे आली आहे सगळ्याला स्क्रीन. ओके, छान. तर हे बरीचशी लोक नवीन जॉईन झालेली आहेत. काय रिपीट करायची गरज आहे का? आणि आपल्या ग्रुपला मी व्हिडिओच्या लिंक पाठवलेल्या आहेत. आय नो दॅट मी काय एवढा हँडसम नाहीये, तुम्ही बघाव्यातच अशा, पण मला हाईड करून माझा व्हॉइस तेवढा ऐकायचा, म्हणजे व्हिडिओ म्यूट करायचा आणि ते ऐकत राहायचं. हॅलो, इज इट देअर नीड टू रिपीट एंटायर चॅप्टर? मेनी स्टुडंट्स इज टुडे अगेन जॉईन न्यू. चॅप्टर 1 ते 4 म्हणजे जेवढं शिकून झालंय ना तेवढं 4 पार्ट्स टाकलेले आहेत. प्रतीक हॅज डेट करतोय असं नाही. ओके, काय बोलतोय हा ऋतिक? मला ते बघावं लागतं. हायलाइट होतं आणि ते गायब होतं. हसतोय बर. हा, ऋतिक जस्ट हा ना बघता येतील. सो दॅट ऑल इज अ सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट गोल्स आपण लास्ट लेक्चरला पाहिलेले आहेत बऱ्यापैकी. रिस्पॉन्सिबल कन्झम्पशन अँड प्रोडक्शन, क्लायमेट ऍक्शन बोलून झाले. आणि आता आपण आलोय की लाईफ बिलो. लाईफ बिलो म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये हे आहे की वेदर कम टू द इश्यूज टू द एन्शुरिंग हेल्दी लाईफ अँड प्रमोटिंग वेल बिईंग फॉर ऑल गोल्स, दॅट इज नॅशनल रुरल ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर. हे थोडस रिपीट होतंय काही वेळेस ते, तर त्याच्याशी रिलेटेड हा एक प्रोग्राम आहे that implement to here. So life below where are consider that life on land, peace and justice, strong institutions. की ज्या नेशन्स मध्ये राहतोय तर तिथला हा एक पार्ट आहे. ऍज अ पीपल्सला प्रॉब्लेम्स फेस करता येऊ नये जास्त. क्लिअर? तुम्हाला असं कसं की मेनी टाइम वी आर लिसन दॅट वर्ल्ड फ्रंट ऑफ द लॉ वी ऑल इज इक्वल. So that is most important. Justice, strong institutions. I know that in our nation, or it is water. Yeah, water. WATER. हा ते करेक्शन राहिले, बोलता बोलता राहून गेलं ते सांगायचं. So life on land, peace and justice, strong institutions, that is also one more consider under the sustainable development, and also partnership to achieve the goals. क्लिअर? काही रिपीट झालेले आहेत त्याच्यामध्ये. तर तुमच्या नेशन्स मध्ये हे कुणी डिक्लेअर केलंय? दॅट इज वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गनायझेशन डिक्लेअर दॅट इन युअर नेशन्स पुट दॅट प्रोग्राम्स. अँड हु आर द मेंबर ऑफ UNO? वेल, UNO. Member countries people. Anybody know that meaning of UNO? Huh? Yes, please. Yeah, absolutely right, Amira. United Nations of Organizations. So that all are the sustainable development goals. त्याच्यात तुम्ही 10 तरी व्यवस्थित लक्षात ठेवा. किती? एनी 10. सगळे विचारणार नाहीत कधी, बट कीप इन माइंड मिनिमम 10. कमीत कमी 10 तरी लक्षामध्ये राहतील अशी त्याची प्रिपरेशन करा. राईट. सो that is helps to here, so that all are the any problem in that all goals and poverty in all. Yes, give me reply. I simultaneously read here. Good health and well-being, quality education, gender equality, clean water and sanitization, affordable and clean energy. Right. So that all are the goals. Yes, माधुरी जी बहुत लेट आई है, क्यों भाई? So that all are the Millennium Goals, also called MDG, Millennium Development Goals. त्याला दुसरं नाव आहे आणि सस्टेनेबल डेव्हलपमेंट गोल्स सुद्धा म्हटलेलं आहे. आणि प्रत्येक नेशन हा प्रोग्राम फॉलो करावा. आपल्या नेशन मध्ये मी कधी सुरू झाला किंवा का झाला, मोदी गव्हर्नमेंटच्या काळामध्ये हा प्रोग्राम सुरू झाला असं बोललेलं आहे. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट अँड मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक अँड टू मच लेटेस्ट टॉपिक, इन्व्हेस्ट इन इंडिया. येस, पण याच्याबद्दल तुम्ही ऐकून आहात असं माझं मत आहे. येस, बोला. इज कॉल्ड इन्व्हेस्ट इन इंडिया. कशाला म्हणायचं? फोन आलाय मला कोणाच तरी, पण मी काय घेत नाही आता, नको. बोला. Yes, that policies after start to come to the into year 2014 government on rule. Then that policy specially work. Yes, Amira is replying on dedicated to promote and facilitate investment in India. Very good. मनाल जी क्यों लेट क्यों इतने? बच्चे थे छोटे छोटे. ओके ओके ओके, नीड टू केअर देम. काळजी घेतला ना पाहिजे. हाँ हाँ, कुछ भी क्या सर? अरे मोहल्ले में बच्चे नहीं होते छोटे छोटे तुम्हारे इधर? नहीं है तो उसको टाटा बाय बाय बोलने में टाइम लगता है ना उसको. नहीं है बच्चे? ऐसा कैसा मोहल्ला है भाई? नहीं है? मार्स पे रहते क्या तुम लोग? इधर ये मार्स पे है. क्या हुआ भाईजान? हाँ बोलो बोलो, मनाल बेटे बोलो जरा. ये इन्वेस्ट इन इंडिया क्या है? मनाल, अरे मनाल बेटा जी आप बोलिएंगे. इंडिया गुड्स में ज्यादा से ज्यादा इन्वेस्टमेंट करना. इंडिया गुड्स में. ओके ओके ओके, इंडिया गुड्स में तो लिटिल बिट आंसर नॉट परफेक्ट. share market. Okay, Riddhi is replying. Anybody want to share to your answer, please? Don't know? But okay, forget it. Very simple. So yeah, that started to the, yes, it is old policies, but you know very well. Yes, Amira, what you replying? I'm check your answer first. Huge investment in India, commerce and industry. Yeah. Yes, attracted foreign investment to our country. So that policy is implemented by government, especially. Right. Excuse me. Continuously phone ringing here. Hello. हाँ मी जरा ऑनलाइन क्लासला नंतर बोलतो ठीक आहे हाँ हाँ so that invest in India here is people more invest to our country so under that investment comes to the different types of policies make in India invest in India skill India and training programs little bit know about that all आता याच्याबद्दल आपल्याला डीप मध्ये पुढे बघायचं आहे माहिती आहे का काय तुम्हाला मेक इन इंडिया हा येस तर सांगा मग हे मेक इन इंडिया काय आहे व्हॉट इज मेक इन इंडिया येस production to the assembled in India very good encourage domestic and foreign companies okay Zone Ritik replying also very good investment into manufacturing okay to manufacture their products in India okay Amira very good remaining guys you also reply you just don't hold the mobile you also participate in our lecture yes that platform for everyone not for only few students Purnima रिप्लाय पौर्णिमा सौरभ ऋतिक कुठे आहेत तुम्ही जरा रिप्लाय देत चला ओके तर ते आहे इन्व्हेस्ट इन इंडिया किंवा मेक इन इंडिया स्किल इंडिया मध्ये काय yes Hamir again replying large scale of manufacturing in India to increase India GDP very good rest of the students try to say something बोला काही सांगावंसं वाटतंय का आम्हाला काहीच वाटत नाही म्हणा हा बोला yes please I'm waiting your answer promoting small scale business okay small scale business okay Mira encouraging to foreign direct investment very good Sonia you reply also try to kara few students only talking and rest of the student just enjoying चालू आहे तुमचं आहे ना असं to increase manufacturing sectors to growth rate okay माहिती आहे तुम्हाला काही शिकवायची गरज नाही आहे तशी म्हणजे यू व्हेरी वेल ऑल काय म्हणलं मी So now listen carefully. Clear? So here under the program, what is can be happen here under this program? There are, we see the Make in India, Invest in India, skill development and training programs. And many time I told you, when comes to the Modi government on rule, that government many promises to people. त्या गव्हर्नमेंटने खूप सारे प्रॉमिसेस केले होते आणि काही खूप साऱ्या स्कीम्स पण आणल्या होत्या, राईट. सो अंडर दॅट स्कीम्स और प्रोग्राम्स, क्लिअर. त्या मेक इन इंडियाचा लोगो काय माहितीये कुणाला? लॉयन, ऍब्सोल्युटली राईट. तर तेच ते मेक इन इंडिया आपण बघूया. That movement is a Swadeshi movement. What is called Swadeshi? बोला. Foreign. Swadeshi. That word is a Hindi. And our great Prime Minister Narendra Modi has started that 25th November 2014, that movement. Right. Made in India, that is called Swadeshi. Swadeshi means of our own country. Very good, Manal. Right. So that manufacture in our India. Right. That covering 25 sectors of economy. What is covering there? That Make in India is initiative of government to encourage domestic and foreign companies manufactures their product in India. Right. Under the 25 sectors, clear. And that started also launched by the government on 25th September 2014. Keep in mind, always keep. When started that 25th September, and also 25 sectors focus. What is purpose of that? That is encouraging companies to manufacture their products in India and also increase their investment. When come to government on rule on Narendra Modi government, then they are continuously try to rise invest in our country. की आपल्या नेशन मध्ये जास्तीत जास्त इन्व्हेस्टमेंट वाढवणं हा त्यांचा प्राइम मोटिव्ह होता. दॅट इज द प्राइम मोटिव्ह. In short, what is mean by Make in India? Now on your screen, I think everybody you can see in there, to promote India as the most preferred global manufacturer designation, to proposal sustainable growth, facilitate investment, faster innovation, enhance skill development, protect intellectual property and build best-in-class manufacturing structure by Make in India. Definition is quite vast, but the definition covering that all entire importance in the here. So what is first we trying to focus on definition. What is mentioned in to promote India as a most preferred global manufacturing designation. What is you think designation means what? आपल्याला वेडिंग डेझिग्नेशन माहित असतं बऱ्याच लोकांना, माहिती आहे ना? तर ते पण माहित नाही. हा, कशाला म्हणतात वेडिंग डेझिग्नेशन? सो गए क्या भाई सब लोग? Designation means what? बोला प्लेस. व्हेरी गुड. नुसतं प्लेस आहे का ते? मल्टी फंक्शनिंग. डू that all are together comes them. सगळ्यांना एकत्र करणं. आणि ते एकत्र कसं करायचं? डेझिग्नेशन सस्टेनेबल ग्रोथ. पाहिलं आपण सस्टेनेबल ग्रोथचे डेव्हलप दॅट ऑल कन्सिडर इन्व्हेस्टमेंट. फोस्टर झालंय ती. फास्टर पाहिजे तिथे. FA पाहिजे. तो फोस्टर झाले ते. फास्टर इनोव्हेशन, enhance skill development, protect intellectual property. Anybody know that intellectual property? What is called intellectual property? Yes, please. Anybody can say me, please. Which can you say that? Yes, absolute right, Manal. That protection, no one are copy to your product. Patent right. Absolutely right. So patent paper rights granted. So that can be considered here. That manufacturing in India. Clear? So are you understand that make in India? Little bit. जिथे समजत नाही तिथे इमिडिएटली विचारा. डोक्याच्या वरून चाललं की फास्ट चाललं की परत सांगत चला मला. I immediately turn back and repeat then all. ओके. तर आज हे नवीन टॉपिक आहे. म्हणजे आपल्याला आपण बुक्स मध्ये आहे आणि रिअल मध्ये पण हे आहे. व्हॉट इज ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह ऑफ दॅट पॉलिसीज? That Narendra Modi's programs are quite highlighted, or Modi government are many times that programs trying to highlight to them. कि मोदी गव्हर्नमेंट ने ट्राय केलं बऱ्याच वेळा की कसा हा प्रोग्राम हायलाइट राहील. राईट. सो they are making such a types of program how to more highlight. So front of them they are set some objectives. Promote investment. What is they do here? They promoting investments to encourage to the investors. Are you listen? Recently there comes to the Mudra loan. What is that Mudra loan? Hello. Which is called Mudra loan. बोला. अरे इतना सन्नाटा क्यों है भाई? Are you listen my voice clearly? पता नहीं सर, आप बोलो. मुद्रा लोन हे ओल्ड नाही आहे. हे आपलं न्यूजपेपर मध्ये आपण ऐकतो ते चाललंय आपले सध्या. हा काय खूप ओल्ड असा टॉपिक नाहीये. टॉपिक इज मोर रिसेंट. सर नाही माहित. ओके ओके ओके. That is a loan give to the very simple. and that loan you can take for investment only in one something hours. एका दिवसामध्ये काहीतरी प्रोसिजर होते म्हणे पूर्ण त्याचे. That loan procedure complete in only one a day. Clear? तुमचे व्हिडिओ जरा ऑफ ठेवा. हे रेकॉर्डिंगला आपण ऑनलाईनला येतात पुन्हा मग तुम्ही दिसायला नको जरा विचित्र. काय म्हणलंय मी, हे शूटिंग हे सर लाईव्ह होतं याचं आणि ते ऑनलाईनला येतात, त्यावेळेस तुम्ही ओरडू नका मी दिसतोय म्हणून तिथे. ओके, सो promote investment. Next, Make in India is another objective is what? That Make in India is a hub for both domestic and international market. To comes to the more attract investment in our country, our great Prime Minister many countries visit to attract foreign investment to our India. So already we discussed in the meaning, India makes the one designation where comes to the foreign investors. So here under the second objective, they are trying to make in India as a hub for both domestic and international market, increase the share of manufacturing in GDP to 25% by in year 2022. That quite really challenging. How many percent rise that share? That under the Make in India program, 25%. So it is quite challenging. So but that also said by here, or that is another objective. One more objective, enhance global competitiveness of India's manufacturing sector. Now competition not within you or competition never on limited level. Competition is a global level. Your product comes to any from foreign to your country, right? Then here what is importance? Here can be that product can be compete with a global. की त्या प्रोडक्टनं काय केलं पाहिजे की ग्लोबल लेवलला कॉम्पिटिशन केली पाहिजे. Means that product never compete to here only in India level or only in India, that can be compete to also foreign countries, right? Yes, that is also again challenging, but they are the trying to competition rise in global level. So that is to promote. So under I just told you there is a 25 sectors on your screen. I think you are seen here. So how many that sectors here? 4 basic sectors, right? That is Make in India, focus on 4 key areas in promote manufacturing and entrepreneurship. On your screen I think you are seen. एवढं दिसत असणार नाहीये, पुन्हा व्हिडिओला अजून एकदा परत बघा. I explain one by one. First sector of strategic importance. Under come their defense equipment, aerospace, shipbuilding and repair, capital goods and engineering. Clear? Capital goods and engineering. So that is sector 1. Sector 2, sectors of basic inputs, steel, mineral exploration and development. Third, fertilizer, cement. That is the second sector. Fourth sector, undercover. Sectors for depth and value addition. Automotive, electronics, drugs and pharma, chemical, petrochemicals and paper. So that is comes to in third sector. Fourth sector for employment generation. Under the employment generation, textiles, food processing, leather and leather goods, and gems and jewelry. Clear? So that all are the separated. I know that some sub product is also that overall comes to the 25. And government have target under the Make in India. There are taken too much initiative. Clear? Are you understand that development? Make in India एवढंच आहे आपल्या स्टडीसाठी. खूप मोठा टॉपिक आहे तसा. Are you understand that? Hello. Yes, Amira, Soloni. Only two guys understand. Manal, Riddhi, Srushti, Abrar, Purnima, Aishwarya, Ritik, Sukhada, Anagha, Minaj, Sonia, Shravani, Komal, Pradnya. Very good. Clear? ओके. मग एवढं इनिशिएटिव्ह घेतलं, मग हे मेक इन इंडिया फेल्युअर का झालं? टॉपिक तर तुम्हाला होता आणि तुम्ही बुक्स पेपर मध्ये पण बरंच बघताय. Also huge discussion on new channel. Then what is the reason why they finally failure? एवढं सगळं होत असताना हे काय झालं, याला एवढी काय दृष्ट लागली आहे मेक इन इंडियाला? बोला. करप्शन, fall in prices. बर. ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह ठेवले, बरंच काय काय ठेवलं, पण म्हणतो ना आपण जे सक्सेस पाहिजे होतं मिळालं ते काय मिळालं नाही. का नाही मिळालं सक्सेस? insufficient increase in demand, investment decreases. बर. अजून अजून ओके. Yes, many one replying. Soloni also investment decrease, cash crisis. Manal replying slow growth investment in India. Okay. Akshata replying also slow growth in economy. Okay, okay. बर. Fall in GDP is okay. तर गव्हर्नमेंट ओके ठीक, दॅट इज युअर व्ह्यूज, ओके नो प्रॉब्लेम. येस, इन युअर लेवल यू आर ट्राइंग टू गिविंग आन्सर. But one more reality is what? Poverty, okay. Government, on government level, what we say that that scheme implement in very high level, and that scheme make like a event. Are you understand what I tell you here? That scheme like a event, that lion and all. Are you seen that also programs? There is lion come there and going on stage, and there are showing one Shine India. So that is another part of that scheme. Actually, that scheme when work, there are come to the number of problems. I'm never criticized to the government scheme, but whatever how, what is expectations, what is objective set by the government to achievements and success, there is a too much gap. जेवढं गव्हर्नमेंटने डिसाइड केलं तेवढं सक्सेस होताना नाही दिसलं. आणि मग तो प्रॉब्लेम दिसून आला त्या स्कीमचा. राईट. सो येस, इट इज अ चॅलेंज. टेक चॅलेंज आहेच म्हणा, आणि अजून पण ते काय म्हणजे खूप सारे ड्रॉबॅक्स पण आहेत, आणि तुम्ही म्हणताय ते पण रिझन्स आहेत. सो whether you implement that schemes, especially that Make in India programs when run to our country, how makes the challenges to here clear, or in this way government trying to explain or try to solving that all problems, but there are come to failures. So that is the first program, Make in India. Second program under the Invest in India, skill development and training programs. Anybody know the what is meant by skill development? कशाला म्हणायचं स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट? बोला. Development skills in labor. Yeah, absolutely right. Having all facilities. Okay, Manal giving one big answer. Giving such a skills to the youth of India that they must definitely get the employment based on their skill. Very good, Manal. की असं एज्युकेशन देणं किंवा त्याच्यातनं त्यांना आपण ड्रॉबॅक्स मध्ये पाहिलं ना, इंडियन एज्युकेशन सिस्टम सम ड्रॉबॅक. टू रिमूव्ह दॅट ऑल ड्रॉबॅक्स अँड गिव्ह देम एज्युकेशन. जे काही ड्रॉबॅक्स आहेत ते काढून टाकणं आणि what I tell you here, give the education to people, and making such types of institutions where comes to the more advantage. Clear? So such types of education give to the people. So we can say that skill education, that schemes is not a new, organized various training class काय आलं कोणी पण यायला लागलं एकच old, right? So after digital and skill development in India, that program started to here rise revise virgin program launch. हे अगोदरच्या गव्हर्नमेंटचे प्रोग्राम होते का? Yes, absolutely होतेच. Yes, old government that programs. Clear? Whatever have government in our India, that government already launched the programs. So that programs is not a new, revise that old programs. Skill India, under the program they are implementing. Skill Development India, they are implement, and there are the dual changes. One side is the Skill India and another side is the Skill Development in India. Public goods, that whether we implementations to our India, what we say that public goods are come to the non-revolutionary nature. So in this through, they are trying to implement to our country as a public goods. Means that programs for all. Simple is what public goods means, what that program for all who want to the taken training through that programs. 12 millions people, 12 millions people youth 2005 2012 for the job. That is the data declared by government. Yes, that past programs, that is the reason I already told you there in above lines. Revised version program launch. So throughout that program, when government implement that skill development and training programs, before government also Manmohan Singh government programs, year 2005 to 2012, they are getting 12 millions jobs to the program. Get only 2.7 millions that faces dual challenges. म्हणजे नुसते प्रोग्राम इम्प्लिमेंट करून चालणार नाही, तर त्याच्या थ्रू लोकांना काय भेटलं पाहिजे, जॉब्स पण मिळाले पाहिजे, आणि ते थोडस अवघड आहे स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोग्रामचं. नाउ वी सी द ऍक्च्युअल स्किल डेव्हलपमेंट अँड ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स. Skill development means what? To harness the human resources, right? Whether work that program, what is purposefully focused? To harness the human resources potential region by equipping the prospective or the existing members of the workforce marketable skill through vocational or technical training meet the requirement. Very simple program implement to here. To harness the human resources potential region by equipping their what? Prospective or the existing members of the workforce marketable skill through vocational or technical training meet to the requirement. Throughout that programs, try to give such types of training to youth our India. They get what is the requirement of market. Right now, recently IT industry there is comes to the huge jobs, right? IT industries, right? So many one are turned into the immediately in IT industries to getting a what we say that IT engineers. So are you understand that force marketable skill? In commerce students, there is one passion for the chartered accountant, company secretary, MBAs, right? So what is that? That is also what? Workforce marketable skill. I know that such programs, CA, CS, to success in the courses, there is a long and lengthy process. And you have to need taken huge efforts, then you can be the success, right? But whether you taken efforts, you can be the success. Clear? So here when government implement the such types of program, that can be called skill development and training programs. 11th, 5-year plan when run, then that programs specially purposefully work on skill development training programs. Also, 10% workforce from the higher education. Generally, labor consider under the age group 15 to 59. Yes, there are come to the higher education after 15 age group. So 10% workforce comes to. There is given the information on asymmetric or trying to give everyone to education on the base of skill and all clear. So Skill India efforts are taken in that and skill mission launched 15 July 2015 clear. तर हा प्रोग्राम आपण आहे बघूया पुढच्या लेक्चरला बघूया. आता बरंच टाइम पण झालेला आहे. जाण्यापूर्वी प्रेझेंटीचा इश्यू काय मिळतोय